Hello and welcome back to Fusion 360. Today is day 5 and let's just try out to do something important. Next I will try to do the sweep. Already I have made the sketch and I will just select the profile and I will select the path, and you can see I just sweep the profile along this path. Right? You can add the twist angle, but here it doesn't work. Perpendicular, and make sure you just click on the add body. Next we can have the left. For that I have another body, which is this one. I will click on the left and here I will choose this section, click add, and this section, click add, and this section. Now I just lofted these three sections together and I will say OK. See? Next I have the rib. So here we have the rib command. Already I made this object with this sketch line. I will just click on the rib. The profile is this one, and keep the rib thickness 12 and the direction right, and I will say OK. See? Next we have the hole. Already we defined it. For the thread I'm just taking this example. Click on solid, create, and thread. Select the face, which is this face, and model, you can see over here, full length, and you can keep the offset at 12, or I can say up to 20 or 25, right? Or you can select the full length. See how good is this one? Isometric profile. You can define the size and designation. Class M6, right hand, left hand, just deal with them. You can remember the size to use it for the next time. And next simply, if I click on new, and you can create the solid cylinder, solid box sphere. Choose this, and you can have like this. Directly you can deal with them. You can have the cylinder. Choose a proper lane. See, you can have cylinders. You can have sphere. Diameter, you can define it. Next we have the torus. It's just like the tube. See, inner diameter. You can have the torus dia, and you can just deal with them. You can have the coil. See, you can have the coil. See, revolution and height, and you can define the diameter. You can define the revolution. You can define the height. You can add a taper angle. You can define the section on center. You can define the section size. Make sure you click on the add body and say OK. Next we have the pipe. For that, let me do one thing. Let me delete this. I will click on the pipe, and the path is this one. See, the distance is 1, section is circular, and section size is 32. You can keep it hollow or solid by defining the wall thickness and say OK. Next we go to the modify to cover something over here more probably, and here we go. We can have the press pull. Choose a face that you want to pull it at a certain distance. You can have fillet, defining the fillet radius. You can have shell. For shell, I will probably come over here, click on shell, defining the thickness, and you can see. Now I can have this object, like, let me just navigate for an object, this one. You can combine them because this object and this are not combined together. You can combine them. Joint, and target body is this one, tool body is this one, and you can combine them together, right? So this was all about. Again, you can choose fillet over here, defining the fillet radius, and I hope you got really important things. You can create planes, offset plane. Suppose from here you can go and plate at an angle, defining this edge and define the angle. See, you can define tangent plane. See, tangent to this face. You can define mid plane, select two faces, and the plane will come right at the middle. Plane through two edges, this edge and this edge. See, you can have something like, in this example, I will just delete this and edit the section. Okay, you can have plane along path. Choose this path. See, it is right perpendicular to this path, and you can just add up multiple things. Axis through cylinder. See, axis through 2 points, axis through edge, and you can just look at them one by one. These are easier things, and we will try out to take another lecture, and that we will cover something more importantly. So I think and hope we define something really important today. So if something remaining, you can have the internal threads as well by just defining the hole and model. See, you can have the right-handed, and let's just boom. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you in next video. Thank you.